So this class is our last 2 class for this semester. So for the last class, I would like to talk about Clickstream. We call 点击率. Okay, Clickstream sell analyze for e-commerce. So basically, we have to know what is the behavior for your customers on the website. So the first thing is, I will not provide the source code for this class today because I would like to learn the data analytics by yourself or on the internet. So you can reference the content on the internet and copy the source code to your Google Colab environments. So first let us go to the dataset we are going to investigate. So you may click the website I just provide here. So you may get the website from UCI Machine Learning Repositories. So this dataset is a Clickstream data for online shopping dataset. So basically, you may see what is the abstract for this data. What is the purpose for this dataset? And for the abstract here, it mentioned the dataset contains information on Clickstream. So what is click? Is your double click or single click? So from online store offering clothing for pregnant women. 所以说它是将提供这些线上的购物尤其是为这个怀孕的妇女 for clothing. Okay, so you may find the behavior for the pregnant women. Okay, what is their behavior on the internet? When you find out the numbers of instances, 有几笔的资料呢 how many records for this dataset? So it's 165,000, more than 165,000, 超過了165000多筆的資料。So how many abstract attributes, variables? So there are 14 variables for this dataset. Also, what is the task for this dataset? So this task can categorize category by classification, 分类 regression, 回归 Also, we can do the task for clustering, 分群 So 分群 分类还有回归 So with this dataset, you can use these 3 tasks for your data analyzed. Okay, so for us to see the more detail for the dataset information. So this dataset contains information on Clickstream from online store offering clothing for pregnant women. So the data are 5 months data for in 2008, and they also provide the product category and the location for their customers, so they can trace the IP address to know which country for these customers. And also they provide the product price for the product 售价 and the more information about the variables described, so later I will explain the variables more clearly. Okay, so when we take look at about the description for this Clickstream data for our online shopping data, and then we have to download the dataset. So for the UCI dataset, you may find the data folder here. And then you may download this zip file we call eShop data and descriptions. So please download this zip file. 请下载这个压缩档。Okay, so unzip this dataset, and you will find two files in the same directory. Okay, so let me find my directory for you guys. Okay, so when you unzip your dataset, the zip file, you may create a new folder which is eShop data and description. And also you may find the description for the data. And also you may find a CSV file for the eShop closing 2008. Okay, and then please download this file, and then I will teach you how to upload to your Google Drive. Okay, so please download the zip file, this one.